Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let A denotes the event that a 6-digit integer formed by this without repetition be divisible by 3, and the probability of event A is. So, look at this. First, try to observe the behavior of this number. So if you'll observe, it is 6 consecutive numbers. So the sum will be what? 6 into 7 by 2. So it is 21. So if we will consider all these 7 digits, its sum is 21. Means if we will consider all 7 digits, they are divisible by 3. So if you want 6-digit number to be divisible by 3, you have to remove those digits which are divisible by 3. This means case 1. In case 1, suppose you have removed 0. So you will be left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have removed 0 which is divisible by 3. So what is the count of this number? So number of favorable base, number of 6-digit number divisible by 3 is 6 factorial. 6-digit 6 factorial. Now case 2. In previous case we have removed 0. Now we will remove 3. So we are left with 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Now if you'll observe, for unit place you are left with 5 choices. You cannot put, means not unit place, means leading position. At leading position you have only 5 choices. Now because you cannot use 0 at the leading position, if you will use, you will end up having 5-digit number. Now in next place you will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at this place you cannot use 0, so you have 5 choices. Suppose that you have used 6. So for next place you have 5 choices: 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So I can say that it is 5 times 5 factorial. Now wait, like what I will do, I'll use this thing. Yes, then we have this thing. Okay, so this is the number of numbers in this case. Now case 3. In case 3 we have to remove the other number which is divisible by 3, that is 6. So we are left with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is similar like previous case, so we will have same count. Okay, now so let's substitute there. Done. Now look at this. Now we have to focus on sample space. Okay, so number of outcomes. So if you will observe, you have to make a 6-digit number. So for unit digit you have 6 choices, because although you are having 7 choices but you cannot use, means at leading position you have 6 choices. Now suppose you guys have used 1. So for next place you are left with 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2 into 2. So this many numbers are possible. Okay. Now we can say that the required probability would be, look at here. So the required probability is total number of outcomes 6 times 6 factorial, and in numerator you will be having 6 factorial plus this and this both are same, so I will be writing 2 times 5 into 5 factorial. You can simplify this thing if you wish to. Let's take 5 factorial common. You will be having 6 plus 10, and then 6 into 6 into 5 factorial. So this thing gone. So we are left with 16 by 36. So 4 fours are 16, 9. Okay. Therefore, the required answer is 4 by 9. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.